here's the XK. While it's been in, I put new wing mirrors on. Had a bit of a nightmare with those because these came with a rubber bush. So what I did, it was quite straightforward. I actually stood them off the bodywork by a couple of mil using some washers underneath, and then with Sikaflex, black Sikaflex, I then basically created this rubber seal that was round it, and then cleaned it all up to make it look like a rubber, just a rubber pad, a bit like we've got on here. You know, that's what I was sort of trying to achieve, and I think the actual effect came out quite well. So yeah, that was one of the modifications I've done. Inside, I've now fixed the speedo. I've changed the little gearbox on the side of the main gearbox for the speedo drive cable, so that is all done. And then I am now in the process of rebuilding the front end here. So basically, I have got all new rubber bushes. All new ball joints in there, top and bottom. Replaced both of those. I had to replace the main hub upright itself. Unfortunately, because it had excess wear on the bottom. I have also now put new stub axles in there, a new drag link for the steering, and then you can see I've just given it all a coat of paint. Unfortunately, it will need to have a wheel alignment once it's done. So now I'm in the process of actually, this particular hub, I've actually pressed in the outer side of the bearings. And now I just need to get myself set up and start fitting those. Quite important that when you put these in, you adjust the felt seal. So it means the bearing has to go onto this surface quite nicely, so just use a bit of emery on there. And when it's put together, that we have 0.005, I think it is. I'll confirm that, of end float. So I'll just show how I'm going to do that. I'll use a GTI on that, and we'll go from there. I haven't done it on an XK before, but I have done it on quite a few other vehicles. So this shouldn't be too difficult. So I'm going to get myself set up, and then I'll carry on, and I'll show you how the progress as I go.